My cost per click is almost getting 2x during the last few weeks. Anyone know how to fix this? I run ads on a fitness brand, and past few weeks I'm seeing that the CPC is going up constantly, and now for some keywords like dumbbells it's now 2x. Anyone having the same problem or now how to fix this? For anyone who see their Google Ads cost getting almost double during the last few weeks, there may be a few of the reasons like yours. I will be happy to assist in answering this question. And you may be surprised that if you are seeing it for the first time, I know ample of people who have seen it. So there may be few things which you need to look around for your quality score. Okay, your quality score has certainly improved or disproved. So what I can do is I can move on to one of an account to show you how does it work. So for instance, let me see if I can show you in either of the accounts. Sorry, to see your quality score. So I'm gonna move over here. So for instance, in this account, no, I will not show in this one, but for instance, in this account, what you have to do is you have to move around over here, look for your ad groups, go for your, and look over here. You may see your quality score over here, but because this is not a running account, so I will show you the another running account so you guys can clearly see over here. For instance, if you look around on this keyword, and if I look around for the keywords over here, I can see my quality score over here. So if your quality score have been gone down, this could be a crucial reason. Quality score gone down may eventually increase your CPC. So look for this as well. Now, how you can fix your quality score? There are a few ways through which you can fix your quality score. Focus on relevancy, relevant ad with a relevant keyword with a relevant landing page. Optimize your account structure for that as well, and focus on your CTR, click-through rate, to optimize your quality score. So this could be a reason. This could be another point over here is maybe seasonal demand over here. So look around for that as well. Your seasonal demand has gone down, so people may be searching lower or something like this, or maybe there are a lot of new competitors in your market. Suddenly new competitors are also running ads for your same keyword, so this could be a thing over here. So competitors, seasonal demand with more competitors running the same ad. So this could be a thing over here. So the best way is to, if you are running for years, you may physically find it around. Also, your CTR has suddenly dropped. This could be another reason, and this could eventually be linked with the first reason of quality score gone down. So this can possibly a linkage with it or not, but the CTR dropping has also been a thing over here as well. Plus, I think that you can look around for impression share as well, and this can also tell you if there are any more competitors who are looking for your impression or not. So this can actually tell you as well for your impression share. So look around for over there. You may get a data, and you can expand your column over here. Let me show you just over here, and with this, sorry, metrics, I'm gonna add over here my search impression share. Okay, when I apply the search impression share, you may see this is getting 25% of the search impression share. So if your search impression share has gone down, you can also look for auction insights over here. So look for auction insights, and look. So look for these things as well. And with the auction insight, what you can see around over here is that how many impression share you are getting versus the other competitor. So you can do a physical comparison. For instance, you are getting this month 22% impression share, and last month you were getting 27% impression share. This can also tell you if there is any impression share decline or increment. This can also tell you if there are any new competitors, or there may be a keyword seasonal. One aspect is more competitors are running for the same ad, and the other is a seasonal demand being low. So this could be another reason as well for your CPC cost to be going double up. Also, I think that you can also do ad optimization with ad assets. Ad optimization can help you. For instance, this is a normal ad. I recommend, apart from improving your campaign structure, ad group structure, adding more ad variants, I think that ad assets can also play a crucial role. Crucial role. For instance, I'm going to show you a simple ad right now. This is a simple ad right now. This is the ad preview tool, and I'm going to show you how much a good ad can turn around. Look around for this data and you may realize that this ad has more authenticity. More likely people are going to click on this ad with pricing being mentioned, your Google location is being mentioned, ad assets, plus advertiser rating is going to grab more attention. So focus on adding ad assets, and this can also help you in improving your and reducing your CPC cost. So yeah, I hope this answers the question regarding why your Google Ads CTR has suddenly doubled the price. So for anyone looking for Google Ads audit, setup or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we will definitely look forward working with you. I hope this answers the question and query regarding why your why your CPC cost was suddenly doubled for your exact keywords. Thank you for watching.